Welcome to the first in a new series of tutorials for the new sailor. It might also be helpful for some existing sailors too. I have just rezzed on screen the Bandit LTE HUD, which can be found in the Bandit 22 LTE folder. There are 4 sails. The mainsail, which is used all the time, and 3 other sails that you select depending on the wind AWA, actual wind angle. I will discuss AWA in the second tutorial. The jib is used when the AWA is about 0 to 50 degrees. Next sail is called code 100 and is used when the AWA reaches 50 degrees. Finally, the spinnaker is used when the AWA reaches 100 degrees. You must lower one of these last 3 sails before raising another. Again, all this will be covered in the second tutorial. Sailing. To start sailing, raise a boat and sit in it. Wear the Bandit 22 LTE HUD. Zooming in, there is a hover text reading of your AWA angle, sheet or sail angle, and your boat's speed. Fact 1. The sheet angle must always be half of the AWA. Make sure this is the case all the time. Click the mainsail and the boat will begin to sail, but you need to raise one more sail, the jib. You will see my indicator has turned green, indicating that my sails are correctly set to the current AWA. It will show yellow when the sails are not quite right. And red when the sails are badly set. Fact 2. You cannot sail into a wind. Sailing boats, or yachts, need a wind angle to be able to sail. This is different for all yachts, but a guide for beginners is to make sure the lowest AWA is 40 degrees. Turn your boat if the AWA is too low. I am sailing with the jib raised. Turning away from the wind direction, my AWA has increased and I now need to lower the jib and raise the code 100. Turning away even further from the wind direction, my AWA is so high, I need to lower the code 100 and raise the spinnaker. I will cover navigation in tutorial 2.